Welcome back, fellow makers and designers. Today, we've got an exciting episode lined up for you as we dive into the fascinating world of nuts and bolts in Fusion 360. Today we're gonna create this nut and bolt as shown on the screen. So, without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open Fusion 360 software. Here we're gonna first build the nut. Here we're gonna draw a sketch of a hexagon. Remember, the key D is for dimension and the key C is for circle. Our nut is ready now. And now we're gonna build the bolt. It is almost as similar as the nut. Remember, the key D is for dimension. Congratulations, we made it. Now you have acquired a valuable skill for your 3D modeling endeavor. Remember, the ability to create and customize nuts and bolts are an essential tool in your CAD toolkit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or idea, please share me in the comments.